This video is all about lighting design using Dialux Evo. Hello everyone, welcome to Graphicark Lighting Design. I'm your friendly lighting designer, Arkie Sangalang. This tutorial will teach you how to use basic Dialux Evo in a step-by-step. Especially if you are new to the software, you will learn how to import Autocad file inside the Dialux Evo in this first video session. All you have to do is watch all my videos and follow along with my instruction. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating your own lighting design based on the DWG drawing. Option 1. The majority of our projects begin with the import of a DWG file. Basically, you can go to import or plan IFC, just double click, and then navigate the location folder or DWG file you want to import inside the Dialux Evo. Option 2. Go to File and then pick New Project. Then on the first icon, which is Save Plans, just click it and then you will see the loading plan and then double click. After that, find the Autocad file that you want to work on it inside the Dialux Evo. Since we already imported a DWG file drawing, Dialux Evo will ask you just click the next. And then after that, based on the specific scale of my drawing, I will select units, which is I will choose the centimeter based on my drawing scale, and then just click finish. Keep in mind that you must check the box says show 2D projection in 3D window. Aside from that, there's a two option beside the plans icon, which is loading plan and the replacing plan. From the replacing plan, you can change the Autocad file which is you want to replace on the Dialux Evo. Then from here, there's a move plan which is will assist you in moving the drawing. Click the move plan and simply click the line, and you can drag to the left, you can drag to the right. Then the layer structure is further down. By click on it, you may change the color. Down the layer, you can save the option or embed the plan in project. Embedded large plan has a negative impact on the project file size. Thank you for taking time viewing Graphicark Lighting Design. Please leave a comment if you have any question about my tutorials, and consider subscribing if you are able. I'll show you how to make a building with doors and windows in the following video, Basic Dialux Evo. Keep safe and see you in my next video. Bye bye.